In this video, we will show you how to style relaxed hair using Strong Ends styling products.
Oftentimes after a relaxer, the hair is so limp, it has no body and it's flat to the head. And of course you see our Strong Ends relaxer has so much body, but if in fact your hair is limp and you just don't know what to do with after a relaxer, I'm going to give you an alternative style. We're going to do a really quick updo so you can still enjoy your relaxer. So you will need a soft boar bristle brush. You'll need some hairpins and some bobby pins. So the first step would be to take one part of the hair to the side, all the way to the side completely. You want to lay your bobby pins flat. Take your next bobby pin, lock it on the top of the prior bobby pin. That way your bobby pins won't slide out. Lock the next one. So as you see, this causes a crisscross motion, so your bobby pins will stay intact. Now once you've got your bobby pins in place, you want to back comb the hair. And this will give it body, this will make it whole, and it will give you control of the hair. Take your bang, smooth your bang around. That hair that you've back combed, take that hair, and this is going to make your bun. So there's no need for extra added hair when you're doing it in this manner, because that back combing gives you the control you need. So you just twist the hair from the bottom up. Locking your hairpins in place. And there are several options. You can go with that remaining hair on the top. You can leave it as so. Or if you want something a little smoother, just continue to take the hair up until you feel comfortable that you have reached the style that you're looking for. And it's nothing methodical about this. You go as you please, and you'll finish up with something really cute and fun.
Love your relaxed hair the right way with BioCare Labs Strong Ends Honey Infusion products.